day after the big update for the Mini 4 Pro. Obviously not forgetting the Air 3, but I haven't got the Air 3, but I've definitely got the Mini 4 Pro. What I'm so excited about is to try out this Active Track Auto. Anyway, first thing you got to do, guys, as always, got to get that drone up. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring that drone a little bit closer to me. Let's bring it in a bit. Okay, let's bring it in a bit. Okay. We'll put on Active Track, and we're going to do Active Track Auto. So, we'll just see how this works. The drone's just coming in. What I've done, I've just stopped now. I'm not too sure what it does. Okay, I'm just gonna. Oh, I see. We got the droney. If he falls down in a hole, then. I think as a creator, or somebody that's going out, he's just come back in to me close again there. I mean, what a lovely day to try this out as well. There's hardly any wind at all. It's like, certainly likes doing the old helixes. Now I don't know if it's picking up, obviously, here, but I'm going to walk over this way. What I'm going to try and do in a moment, I'll wait till let the drone come back towards me. I'll just see if I move. Okay, so moving the sticks. I see. So what it's doing really, because I've got it in auto, you can't do nothing with those sticks, guys. So something to be aware of. But I noticed in the middle there you got manual, so I suppose you could take over and do it yourself. So I suppose by what the box says, it's doing it all for you in auto. So, you know, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the controller down, and we'll just see. So I've got no control at all then. Okay. I got a bit of a cold. Gone down with typical Christmas time, and I've gone down with a cold. So I just thought, have a bit of a walkabout. I would, if I'm energetic, go for a run, but I'm not. So the drone is still on me. Let's just see if I can go over here a minute. Always like experimenting. We'll just see what it does. He's still up there. Now, officially, it's got its obstacle avoidance on, so that any obstacle was hanging about, it would stop anyway. I mean, to me, this drone is making this drone more and more clever. Because I've obviously got buildings at the side of me there. So, let's go back and pick up the controller. I think it just shows you as well that obviously you can put your controller down and do your own thing. I couldn't hear it then. Obviously the drone, I can see the shadow of my drone. He's lost me. That was interesting. Let's bring him in a bit. Okay. So I didn't see what happened then. So I don't know how long I was chatting away there. I did wonder where that drone's gone. Okay, so I'm gonna go this way now. But as you can see, I'm not controlling that drone at all, other than it's doing it itself. So it's coming in to do a circle. It doesn't seem to have its set preference. Now, what I have noticed is when it says hold, obviously maybe I can do something there. But I thought just for today, I'm not going to push it to its limits. One of the main things is obviously also wanted to test fly the drone since its new update, and at the moment it's working pretty well, I must admit, especially with the new auto. Okay, it's coming back to where the camera is. What I don't want it to do, it shouldn't do. Obviously it knows that there's an obstacle behind it. So this is off doing another helix there. So I noticed there it's got a hold at the top there. So I wonder if I press that. Okay. Okay, so it sounds like that's what you can do. Sounds like I can change the preference on that. Let's press it again. Oh, I see. Right, can I do that? No. Okay, maybe I'll do. Auto exposure. I know what that's. Yeah, I shouldn't have pressed that, should I? Anyway, we'll come out of that. Always make sure you come out of the box. The green box has got a little cross on it. Just tick that off so completely finished. What I'm going to do now, just going to bring the drone in. I think that's a good test. So this is my first test flight as well after the big update. And all I did really was just try out the active auto. And obviously when you saw me put down my controller, while I was jabbering, somewhere along that line it come out. So I'm going to have to check that on the footage later on. But as far as I can see, it was pretty cool. I'll probably have to look in a little bit more about that. If you can change because what it is really, it's like going into your master shots and it's doing it through that stage. And if you didn't hear me, you can't do nothing with your sticks. It's fully on, that's what it's auto, I suppose, isn't it? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, get a thumbs up. If you didn't, get the thumbs down. I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas. And yeah, just enjoy flying and get this on your Christmas list.